Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add reporting tags to invoices and bills in Zoho Books. A simple but powerful feature that will help you track your business finances more effectively and generate customized reports. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up reporting tags and make your financial data work smarter for you. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website. Once there, locate the sign in option at the top right corner and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, head over to the settings menu on your dashboard. This is usually in the toolbar, so it's easy to spot. Under settings, click on customization. This is where Zoho Books allows you to personalize your invoices, bills, and other financial documents. Within customization, look for reporting tags. Reporting tags are essentially labels you can assign to your invoices and bills, allowing you to track transactions by project, department, client, or any other category that matters to your business. To add a new reporting tag, click the New Tag button. Here, you'll enter a descriptive name for your tag. Make it clear and specific so that when you generate reports, you immediately know what each tag represents. For example, you might use tags like marketing expenses, project alpha, or sales department. Once you've entered your tag details, simply click Save. That's it. Your new reporting tag is now ready to be applied to invoices and bills. This makes it much easier to categorize your expenses and income, analyze performance across different projects or departments, and create detailed, customized financial reports. The beauty of reporting tags is that they're flexible. You can add as many as you need, and they'll give you a clear picture of where your money is going, all without cluttering your regular accounting workflow. And there you have it. Adding reporting tags in Zoho Books is that simple, but the impact on your financial tracking can be huge. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.